So, you're a fan of Favepay, right? You love the convenience, the rewards, and the overall user experience. But what if there are other apps out there, similar to Favepay, that could offer even more? Let's dive in and explore some of the top alternatives. Introducing the alternatives. GrabPay. This Singapore-based app is a popular choice for many, offering a wide range of services, including mobile payments, food delivery, and ride-hailing. It's known for its user-friendly interface and attractive rewards program. ShopeePay, a mobile wallet service integrated into the Shopee e-commerce platform. It allows users to make online and offline payments, transfer money, and enjoy exclusive deals and discounts. Dana, an Indonesian digital wallet that offers a wide range of financial services, including peer-to-peer transfers, bill payments, and investments. It's gaining popularity for its innovative features and seamless user experience. GoPay, a digital wallet from Gojek, a leading ride-hailing and on-demand service provider in Southeast Asia. GoPay offers a variety of payment options, including QR code payments, online transfers, and virtual credit cards. KakaoPay, a South Korean mobile payment service that's deeply integrated into the Kakao ecosystem. It allows users to make payments, transfer money, and invest, all within a single app. Key features to look for. When choosing a Favepay alternative, consider these key features. User-friendly interface. A simple and intuitive interface can significantly enhance your overall user experience. Wide range of services. Look for an app that offers a variety of services, such as mobile payments, online shopping, and bill payments. Rewards and promotions. Attractive rewards programs and exclusive deals can add value to your digital wallet. Security and privacy. A strong emphasis on security and privacy is essential to protect your financial information. Customer support. Reliable customer support can be a lifesaver when you encounter issues or have questions. How to choose the right app. Ultimately, the best Favepay alternative for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Consider the following factors. Your location. Some apps may be more widely available in certain regions. Your payment needs. If you primarily use your digital wallet for online shopping, you may want to choose an app with strong e-commerce partnerships. Your lifestyle. If you're a frequent traveler, you may prefer an app that offers international payment options. Your budget. Some apps may charge fees for certain services, so it's important to compare pricing plans. While Favepay is a great option, it's worth exploring other digital wallets to find the perfect fit for your lifestyle. By considering the key features and factors discussed above, you can make an informed decision and select the app that best meets your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.